Hello students. So our topic for today is modes of transport. So there are basically three modes or three types of transport. First is land transport, second is water transport, and the third one is air transport. Land transport means the vehicles which run on land. For example, car, bus, truck, train, etc. Some of the examples of water transport are ship, boat, submarine, etc. And the examples of air transport are aeroplane, helicopter, hot air balloon, etc. Transportation. How you get from one place to another? Transportation help us to move from one place to another with the help of vehicles. So if you are on the land, what you can use to transport from one place to another? Yes, you can use roller skates, bus, car or train from one place to move from one place to another. And if you want to move from one place to another through water, you can use sailboat, canoe, submarine, ship, boat, etc. And if you want to move from one place to another through air, then you can use hot air balloon, helicopter, airplane, rocket. Traffic light. So, whenever you travel on the road, you have always seen the traffic light. It is also known as a traffic signal. So, when the light turns red, the traffic stops. And when the light turns yellow, we have to wait for some time. When the signal turns or the traffic light turns green, we can go ahead. We should always follow the traffic signals on the road. The cycle, scooter, cars and buses that drive past the traffic light every day is known as the traffic. We should always follow the traffic rules. So there are some rules which we need to follow while traveling on the road. The first one is always walk on the footpath. Second says don't play, dance and talk on the road as you may get hurt. The third one says follow the traffic rules. Yes, we should always follow the traffic rules because they are meant for our safety. The next one says we should not walk across the railway line. The next one says cross the road only at zebra crossing. While we are driving a car, we should always wear seat belts. And when we are driving a two-wheeler, we should always use a helmet. So that's all for today. Thank you.